Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome, easy bed workout for toning your legs. All right, super low impact. It doesn't have to be on the bed. You could do this on the floor, but this is a much comfier solution. So let's get into it. Alrighty, starting with our first exercise, we're gonna start on our tummies. All right, on our tummies, knees are bent, feet are flexed for a lying donkey kick. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna be alternating, kicking up. All right, so kicking up, squeezing that bum, squeezing that butt muscle, and down. Very good. So lying donkey kick. What this normally looks like is on hands and knees, all right, kicking back. But since we're lying on our stomach, you're gonna go ahead and kick up. All right, a lot harder than it looks. You're really gonna feel that butt muscle work. All right, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Switching over to our side, we have side leg raises. So we're doing one at a time, 30 seconds. We're gonna point the foot. So nice pointed foot, making sure that your body is squared forward. So you don't wanna be, up towards the ceiling, making sure you're really on your side. All right, leg comes up, squeeze, 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 squeeze that outer thigh, and then coming down. Very good. Breathing, nice, strong, engaged leg. Awesome job. Long, elegant neck. Push up here, okay? Proud chest. Very good. And make sure you have a nice straight back. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead. Flip over to your other side. And again, let's go. Very good. I probably should not have worn black for this workout. I have cat hair all over me. Not sure if you could see it in the video, but hey, that's life. We love our fur babies. Let me know in the comments below if you have any cats or dogs. I have 2 cats named Nala and Ziggy. You'll see them in the videos sometimes. They're my little babies. Alrighty, very good. Remember, make sure your body is squared forward. Really focusing and targeting that outer thigh. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, roll over to your back for some glute bridges. So your knees are bent, your feet are on the bed, and we're going to thrust your hips up. Very good. Have your hands and your arms down to your side, wide fingers to help with stability, and squeeze your bum. Very good. And coming down 1 vertebrae at a time, and then up. Very good. You can even hold it here for a few seconds, squeezing, keeping your knees closer together. Make sure you're not opening your knees like this. So squeeze them together, and very good. Closer your feet are to your bum, the harder it's gonna be. So try to inch those closer to your body, and up. Very good. Last one, and 3, 2, 1. Coming down. Very good. Staying right here for our last exercise, we have scissor kicks. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Alrighty, so we're going to be lifting both our legs up and alternating. Very good. If having your body in a crunch position is too much, go ahead, lay back down and just do it like that. All right, you could also do bigger scissor kicks instead of those little ones. Go ahead, do bigger ones. That's more of like a nice hamstring stretch as well. All right, so different options for you. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down. And there we have it. Set 1 of our bed leg workout. Go ahead, take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, set number 2, starting on our tummies, lying donkey kick. 30 seconds, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Turning to your side. Side leg raises. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead. Flip over to your other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down onto your back. Knees bent. Glute bridge. Let's get it. Very good. Come down, straighten those legs, scissor kicks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come down, stretch, extend, big breath. And there you have it, set 2. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Turning to your side. Side leg raises. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, flip over to your other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down onto your back, knees bent, glute bridge. Let's get it. Very good. Come down, straighten those legs, scissor kicks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come down, stretch, extend. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your bed leg workout. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, what you would like to see more of. Remember, tell me if you have those little furry pets that get your clothes all dirty. And go check out our channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Click like, comment. We want to see what you have to say, and I hope to see you on the next one.